Hey guys, I have my ASC Supplies design team package for May. I got it early and I wanted to give you this information because this is good through the 30th of April and today is the 22nd. So check that out. And then also, apparently they're adding Prima. I am excited about that. Check out the new design team members at the blog, ASC Craft supplies.com. All links will be in the description box down below. I got all paper this time, and I got the Stamperia flower alphabet. And I want to tell you the great thing I love about Stamperia is this front page is the same cardstock as the rest of the paper. So you can cut elements apart from this and utilize this page. And then there's the inside. I love this. I can't believe this much time has passed because this is not a new collection. This collection has been around for a little while. And this is going to make some beautiful shabby chic cards. I can tell you that. Look at those beautiful birdie images. Look at the back side. So if you wanted to make a journal out of this, when you cut apart these, this is what you get on the other side. Look at that gorgeous paper. Beauty is in the little things. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to finish this video because I'm going to get started. And it's got really nice little sentiments for your cards or your journals or your mini albums. And we got the alphabet. And if you don't need the alphabet, you've always got the back side. You got the pretty birdies there and the beautiful flowers and these little sentiments down here. More beautiful flowers. All right. That is flower alphabet. You guys have seen Around the World. And I actually didn't mean to order Around the World because I already have one in my stash. But that's okay. It's a beautiful collection as well. All right, Lilac Flowers I have never had before. So let's open this up and take a look. I'm actually surprised I haven't had this one either. Ooh. If you're a purple girl, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is going to make beautiful cards also. Love the lavender script. Ooh, there's more. This is very pretty. Look at those. Oh my gosh, I can just see the cards now. You know, guys, journals too. This, once you cut it out and you fold it up, it turns into a pretty envelope. And then these would fit right into your envelope. Gorgeousness. Oh. Ah. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is pretty, but look at those butterflies. More butterflies if you wanted to cut them apart. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. More script. Oh, more script. Oh, this is fabulous. Fabulous. All right. Now I've got 2 of Sealand, and I've never had Sealand either. I don't know if this will be cards. This really lends itself to me to be more, and I got 2, so maybe it'll be either a mini album or a journal. So this inside of this one doesn't have anything. Very cool, very beachy looking over here. Yeah, I think this lends itself more to a journal than to cards. Definitely. So, like I said, I got 2 of these. Ow. Oh, I'm sorry. If you can find yourself where the wind meets, you can find yourself where the wind meets the water. Cut apart. All right, so this is going to be a couple journals. These are going to be cards for sure. And then the last thing I got was some more of the Graphic 45 Love Notes journaling and ephemera cards, because I picked up another paper pad from a D-stash and she had these still available. So that is Shiva playing with the toy in the background. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. All the links for ASC Supplies in the description box down below. All orders over $75 ship for free. You got to check them out. I wouldn't send you astray. Beautiful stuff over there. And I'm so excited they're adding Prima. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.